Hello everyone, this is Mike with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to take a look at an extended balcony room. There is only 8 of these on these Spirit class ships. This is on the Carnival Pride, 5236, 6232, 7258, and 8232. Those 4 are extended balconies, or they call them bowling alley balconies. And then you also have 5238, 6234, 7260, and 8234, which are wheelchair accessible rooms on the ship as well. So there's like 8 rooms total on the Spirit class ships. Again, the Pride, the Miracle, the Spirit, and the Legend. Let's take a look at this room. This is by far the best balcony we've ever had on a cruise ship, and we will definitely book this again. All right, this is 6232 aft balcony on the Carnival Pride, and I'm not going to go to the bathroom first because what sells this room is that right back there, and that is the balcony. So let's go straight to the balcony for this room. Not even going to look at my wife on the left, but here's the bed, and this is considered a bowling alley balcony, and you're going to see why really quick. As soon as I can adult proof it. Not funny, Michelle. Oh, it pushes out. So look at this deck. There is 3 loungers and 2 chairs. This is incredible. We're in Baltimore. You do have the lifeboats right below, 1 deck below. But look at this. It's massive. Let's just walk all the way down to the other end and look back. Massive. Incredible. And this got the overhang here. I really like that. So cannot wait for this cruise. So I just did the football mark off, and that was 10 yards. So that's 30 feet approximately. All right, back into the room. You got the bed right here. Got my beautiful wife back there. And one thing I did notice, or actually my wife noticed, was the side tables do have USB and plug-ins. So that is really cool. There also is a light in the back there to cut lights off and on. Right over there. For this is 2 people, original was 3. It's got the drawers here below. It's also got your safe here in the middle. Got your TV. Really small TV, but hey. There is your cooler. What is that? Oh, okay. Has a pull out at the bottom to sit, like if you want to work from a desk. It's got your laundry bags. It does have lighting on and off. That light comes on as well. It's got 3 drawers down here. top has your hair dryer. And typical Carnival storage. A lot more storage in this middle one. A lot of storage here as well. You got your life jackets at the top of this one. But this is 2 long closets. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. And I said this earlier, look at that toilet. Now that's pretty disgusting. I don't know what's coming out of the toilets, but still coming out brown. Rusty water? I don't know. But shower, there is a shower curtain. I'm a big guy, so we'll see how that works out. You got your pool string over here. But this is like a semicircle. So I'm in the shower now. And plenty of room up here, and I'm 6 foot tall. And let's look at the rest of this. Again, brown water in the toilet. Not sure about that. But then you got some storage over here. You got a mirror that comes out. Handrails. The lime green. Mirror, side shelves. Electricity for shaver. Down there is the trash can. So we'll see how that works out. Got a couple racks or hooks here to hold things. So yeah, then also in here, this is coming into the room first. This room has a couch with a light and a table right there. And the side tables, again with the USB and power outlets. And then at the bottom, you got additional storage as well. So yeah, I'm very pleased. So also in this room, it has the pull down bed from the ceiling. So just a heads up on that. Because we would normally turn this into a bed for our son, and we would do that if he was here. But it does have the pull down from the top as well. So that's another great feature for this room. And my wife's laying out already. Are you liking this deck, Michelle?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's incredible, ain't it?
It's beautiful.
Incredible deck. Hey, thank you guys for checking out this video. This was a room tour, bowling alley room on a Carnival Prize 6232. I think we're going to like this. We'll give you some more, once we're out on the ocean, we'll give you some more B-roll footage as well. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe.